What's poppin' peeps? I'm Lady Luck, aka the Street Prophet. For those of you who don't know, I speak about real issues in our society with a twist of comedy. Let's dive right in. This is E.D.S, Everyday Situations, Motivation with a twist of comedy. Work got the nerve to be tomorrow. One thing about me, I'ma find another job. The fuck you mean you've been here for 25 years? Work can literally go from, man, it's easy work, to, yeah, this is my last day. I'm starting to think Indeed not turning in my motherfucking application. I had a question. How come 8 hours at home take 20 minutes, but 8 hours at work take 6 days? People who work in customer service should be allowed to fight one customer a day. You know what I noticed? Unemployed people always want to fight. How about you punch a clock and knock out 8 hours? I don't know which one of my women's cousins this is for, but some of y'all need to buy that man a leapfrog instead of a PS5. Dating a skinny man is cool until you doing 110 miles per hour on the highway and he fly out the window like a napkin. Something else I noticed. Motherfuckers call it situationship. Whole time, the situation is they don't want you. I don't know which one of my cousins this is for, but at my wedding, there will be a break so y'all can go home and eat and then come back. Ladies, this is a PSA. Don't brag about your man and then turn around and ask me to borrow $20. Fellas, this is a PSA. It's officially take a pretty girl to an NFL game and a pumpkin patch season. Men love bitches with nothing. I'm thinking about getting rid of my shit. You know what I think we all noticed? All Thug did in jail was sit on a phone and gossip like a house. Speaking of that, nobody gossips more than a mother and her oldest daughter. I'm too old to be in a relationship and be arguing, cause now you fucking with my blood pressure. Bitches do everything but leave. Fuck is you fighting that man grandmother for? Ladies, we get it. You got ass. This your third video today. Turn it around, baby. We get it. I respect girls who care more about being a good person than a bad bitch. Oh. And another thing, ladies, just because you fry a couple of pieces of pork chops and suck a little dick does not mean you wifey material. Fellas, a lot of y'all ain't marriage material either. Some of y'all just mattress material. Chicks with no furniture always trying to put a nigga out. Girl, fuck you in this skating rink. Something else I noticed. People who offer you nothing always act like you losing them. Somebody tell DMX I found out what these bitches want from a nigga. It's $40. Y'all niggas stay wanting a thick bitch until your son come out with a fat ass. I don't care what y'all say. You can be the most responsible parent ever. That baby gonna fall off that bed. I had another question. You ever been glad when somebody stopped fucking with you? Like, take your bad spirit, bad aura having ass on. I'm just gonna leave y'all with this. Stop telling people you proud of them when you pass up every chance to support them. Alright, guys, that was cool or whatever. Y'all know I love kicking it with y'all, but I gotta bounce. If you have not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you smash that like, share, and subscribe button before you bounce. I would love to have you as a sub. In the meantime, between time, y'all stay blessed. Have a fresh start to the week. Namaste.